Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a sticky header into your Astra website. Now, if you're using WordPress with Astra theme, then you'll know that a sticky header does not comes by default and you have to do some additional things to get a sticky header. So I'll show you exactly what you need to do to add a sticky header. Now, if you don't know what a sticky header is, then when you scroll down, you'll see that this header goes up and it's not viewable. So when we enable sticky header, what happens is a header comes to this page on the top section and it will stick here. Like no matter which page you go, no matter which place you go on the website, you'll always see that header on the top. So I'll tell you how to achieve it and how to customize it. So you have to go to your Astra options in the appearance. Now here you'll see this option called a sticky header. So just go to it and then click on activate. Now to see this activate button here, you need to make sure that you have an active Astra Pro license, because if you don't have it, then you need to go to Astra's official website. You can also check the link in the description for that, and then you have to purchase this Astra Pro theme from there, and then you can get this feature. Now once you have activated this, you have to go to appearance and then click on customize, and then you have to go to a section called as headers. So I'll just show you. So just go to this header and now you will see this option here, sticky header. Now normally this doesn't come, but since we have Astra Pro theme, it will come. So let's click on it. Now you can see what type of options are available and I'll tell you how to use each one of them. So the first thing is stick primary header. Well, if I scroll it down, you can see there is no sticky header. If I just click on this button, now just wait and see the magic. So you can see that the header is stick to the top. So this is how sticky header works. Now you can see that this option here, different logo for sticky header. So I'll tell you how to use it. So if I click on this, then I can select a different logo for sticky header. So let me just do that. So now as you can see that I've selected a different logo for sticky header. So for now I've just selected a random image from my gallery, but you can select any image which you like. So once you do that, you'll see that when you'll scroll down, the logo is changed. So why does this happens is because we have enabled this option, different logo for sticky header. Now how to use this option? Well, you can create two variations of your logo. One is full size and one is a small size logo. So in one you can have different structure of your logo, like icon on the top and description on the bottom, and when someone scrolls down, a mini version of the logo appears, like just the icon or the textual form of the logo. So this is how you can make use of this feature. And then there is this option, different logo for retina devices. So if you want to have a separate logo for large screens and large retina devices, then you can do that from here. Then you can see that you have an option of setting up sticky headers width. So this is my width right now. If I want, I can further reduce it, I can increase it if I want. So different options are available for you to choose from. Now if you can see this option here, enable shrink effect. So you'll see that when I scroll down, this bar is shrink down to some extent. So how to remove that? Well, you can just click on this enable shrink effect and unmark it. If it's unmarked, then you'll see that there is no shrinkage. There is, but there is very little. That's because I have left some space there, but you can do that by padding. But if I remove this, you'll see that it shrinks up to a lot of place, a lot of stuff. So you can see that it shrinks completely till the edge of the bottom, edge of the button. So this way you can make use of this feature. Now hide when scrolling down. So I'll tell you the use of this feature. So what happens is when someone is scrolling down, he's mostly going to read the content. So you don't need to show your sticky header to them at that point. But when he's scrolling up, you'll see the sticky header. Why? Because if he's scrolling down, he's just interested to read the content. And if he's scrolling up, then there is a high chance that he's just trying to touch the menu on the top so that he can go to some other page. So this is how you can use this feature. Then you can enable it on desktop, enable it on mobile or both the devices. So if I enable it for both the devices and I go to mobile screen, I'll see that this comes when I do this up thing. If I just remove this thing here, hide when scrolling down, you'll see it sticks even when I just scroll down, and when I go to the top, the logo is changed. So this is how you can make use of this feature. Then you can see a lot of other options as well. Like you can go to this header and you can change the background color, site title color, site tagline color, then colors on hover styles. Then you have an option to edit the text and related stuff related to menu. This is the part of the menu. Then you can do same things with the sub menu if you want. So a lot of settings are available for that as well. And then for the outside item, that is something which comes here. So there are a lot of stuff which you can achieve with using sticky header in the Astra Pro from the activation. So there are a lot of things which you can do by just activating sticky header feature of the Astra Pro theme. So that's actually pretty much it, that how you can use sticky header feature in the Astra Pro theme in WordPress. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.